Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset POCO M7 Plus. Alright, so we have two methods how we can reset this device. Let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is simply through the settings, and the second one is through the recovery mode. Let me show you both of the methods. So let's open up the settings first. Now let's click on About Phone, scroll down, right in here, and click on Factory Reset. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on this button, erase all data. If you do it, your device will be turned off, then it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. It is really easy, but remember that you will lose all of your data. That's basically what reset do. Alright, so that's the first method. It is really simple. And now let's go straight into the second one. So to open up the recovery mode, let's power off our device first. Let's click on power button and volume up button, just like that. And let's go into the power off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to simply hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the logo appears. So keep holding. Okay, we can release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Okay, and now to move around this menu, we need to use the volume keys. Now we need to select Wipe Data and confirm by clicking the power button. Now again, select Wipe All Data, click the power button, scroll down into the Confirm, click the power button. Now the process has started. Now we need to wait until it's finished. It won't take long, don't worry. Alright, data wipe successfully. Click the power button. Now select the reboot, click the power button, again power button, and now within a second our device will be turned on, and again we need to set it up. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.